Nagaland's tally of COVID-19 cases crossed the 800 mark. Dimapur sees a spike in cases as the district alone has registered over 300 cases so far. With Dimapur seeing a spike in COVID-19 cases, a meeting of district administration is held with stakeholders on the need to identify additional COVID care centers in the district. And India sees yet another record single-day jump of over 28,000 COVID-19 cases, while the death toll climbed to 23,174. Well, those were the headlines. Hello and welcome to this news broadcast from News and Trends. We begin our bulletin by taking a look at the COVID-19 update from the state. In the highest single-day spike, Nagaland reported 71 new cases of COVID-19 as of this morning. State's Health and Family Welfare Minister Espangi Wom said in a tweet this morning that out of the 816 samples tested, 71 new positive cases of COVID-19 have been confirmed. 60 in Dimapur, 7 in Mon and 4 in Kohima. The minister also tweeted in the evening to inform that 13 COVID-19 positive patients have recovered. 10 from COVID-19 care center Jakama, 2 from Dimapur and 1 from Kohima. However, the recovered patients will be kept under strict surveillance, the minister added in his tweet. This spike in the number of cases from Dimapur takes the tally of COVID-19 cases to 318. With 160 recoveries, active cases in Dimapur stand at 159. 15 of the active cases are with mild symptoms as per the severity of the cases. With an addition of 7 positive cases in Mon, total positive cases reported from that district stand at 83 with no recoveries. Kohima's tally stands at 158 positive, active 87 with 71 patients recovered from the infection. With this, the overall tally of the state as of 3 p.m. this evening stands at 845 positive with 505 active cases and 340 recoveries. With Dimapur seeing a spike in cases, the need to identify additional COVID care centers in Dimapur district was highlighted yesterday as the district administration, medical department and paramilitary forces held a meeting yesterday in view of this increase in COVID-19 cases. According to updates from the IPR, during the meeting, Deputy Commissioner Anup Kimchi stressed on the importance of the district administration, medical department and paramilitary forces to work together for fighting and containing the COVID-19 pandemic. Dimapur Chief Medical Officer CMO Dr. T. Asanap Ponganar informed about the increase in positive cases in the paramilitary quarantine centers as well as cases of reinfection and urged upon all concerned to maintain discipline and follow strict protocols to ensure that more cases do not come out in the future. Noting that the paramilitary COVID hospitals and Dimapur COVID hospital are reaching the maximum limit, the members felt that it might not be possible to accommodate more patients. As per the DIPR report, it was suggested that another location would have to be identified as additional COVID care centers in Dimapur district. In this regard, Ganesh Nagar Quarantine Center, new DC Office Complex Chomagidima and Institute of Hotel Management Kushiabil were suggested. The meeting further decided that the new additional COVID care center would be jointly managed with the help of military and paramilitary. Further, it was decided that a central collection point would be identified for collection of samples of all military and paramilitary forces in the district. It was also decided that the CMO would send a team to impart training on how to take samples and the necessary SOPs at the collection points. Further, it was agreed that CMO Dimapur would provide medium for sample collection, the DIPR reported. India saw yet another record single-day jump of 28,701 COVID-19 cases, pushing its tally to 8,78,254. Today, while the death toll climbed to 23,174, with 500 people succumbing to the infection according to the Union Health Ministry data. The number of recoveries stand at 5,53,470, while there are 3,01,000 1,609 active cases of coronavirus infection presently in the country and one person has migrated, the updated data at 8 a.m. showed. Thus, around 60.13% of patients have recovered so far, an official said. Maharashtra has reported the highest number of cases, followed by Tamil Nadu, Delhi, Gujarat, Uttar Pradesh, Karnataka and Telangana. In the northeast, Assam has reported 16,071 instances of the infection. A total of 2,054 reported in Tripura, 1,609 in Manipur. Arunachal Pradesh reported 359 cases, Mizoram 231, Meghalaya 306, while Sikkim has reported 153 cases. The overall number of global COVID-19 cases has increased to more than 12.9 million, while the deaths have soared to over 5.6 lakhs, according to the Johns Hopkins University. As of this morning, the total number of cases stood at 1,29,06,252, while the fatalities rose to 5,69,028, the university revealed in its latest update. The US accounted for the highest number of infections and fatalities with 33,04,142 and 1,35,190 respectively. Brazil came in the second place with 18.64 lakhs, India comes third with 8.78 lakhs, Russia in fourth with 7.26 lakhs and Peru in fifth position with 3.26 lakh cases. As per the order of Chief Secretary Nagaland, a team headed by Agriculture Production Commissioner Y. Kikheto Sema started the tour at Dimapur today for monitoring and inspection of NEC-funded projects and call for accountability and transparency in all the NEC projects. The team visited development of agriculture for sustainable livelihood at Sitikama, New Shoba, Au Imti and Kehok villages. Interacting with the villagers, Kikheto Sema dwelt on the benefits of agriculture, stating that it was huge demand in the market even within the villages itself, as eri serves as a sugar-free healthy food. He observed that agriculture gives turnover within a year, unlike other plants where one has to wait for several years to get the benefits. He further opined that it was not so difficult to rear eri and added, if you feed well, it grows well. With so much of advantage, Kikheto Sema emphasized on the need for creating more awareness in the villages so that eri rearing could be taken up in a cluster approach. He also advised and encouraged dairy farmers for using judiciously the assistance rendered by the government either in cash or kind. The APC noted that it was very encouraged to see many women eri farmers. Expressing concern about the huge number of returnees due to COVID-19 pandemic, Kikheto Sema said that with more than 15,000 returnees in the category of working class not likely to return back, he encouraged the sericulture department for imparting training, awareness on sericulture farming.
We go through the core committee of Agri and Allied and others. But if sericulture is not included, I want to emphasize more on this because it's a fast also, no? Return is fast.
Oh,
It's not like industry. Na? Industry in sana, itun sana no ito. Even horticulture is there, but once you plant it, it waits for 6-7 years. And I keep telling that LRD horticulture will be Asampra pura nursery loigana ifale to we don't know what kind of quality they are providing.
The team also visited the A Biogenes Center for Performing Art and Culture at Dimapur, District Transport Office Dimapur and Multimedia Convention Center Dimapur under IPR Department. Commissioner and Secretary Maria Yanthan was also present in the project site of IPR during the team's visit. Y. Kikheto Sema was accompanied by Chief Engineer Water Resources, Additional Director IPR Tokshia Sema, Engineer Planning Department, Kikheto Secretary, Director and officers from Sericulture Department besides others. The team will be leaving for Jaluki on 14th July for inspection of Botanical Garden cum Recreation Park. On 15th July, the team would proceed to Pensenyu village for inspection of integrated NEY Valley irrigation project.
This is also quite a no. I don't know. Kiki, what is the plan here?
This is
Office.
office, multimedia center, conference hall, and
The girls have once again outshined boys in CBSE Class 12th examinations. The board today announced the result. The girls have recorded a 5.96% higher pass percentage than boys. The overall pass percentage in this examinations is 88.78. This year, the CBSE has recorded an increase of 5.38% in pass percentage as compared to last year. Trivandrum region has recorded highest pass percentage at 97.67, while Patna region lowest at 74.57. The pass percentage of Delhi region is 94.39. The result can be accessed at www.cbseresults.nic.in, www.cbse.nic.in and www.results.nic.in. That's all we have time for in this edition of News Broadcast. But before we leave you, here's another reminder that you can send in your videos at the WhatsApp number flashed below and be part of this venture of being a citizen journalist. Do let us know what's happening in your village, your town, your district or your locality so that we can share your videos to the rest of the viewers watching this broadcast. Meanwhile, stay safe, practice safe health hygiene and maintain social distancing wherever you are. But most importantly, take good care of yourself. Thanks for watching.